Hi, this is Abid Khasmi for Desi TV USA, and here are the major headlines. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world and stay informed. The United States expects to finish withdrawing troops from Afghanistan by the end of August. The announcement came after all American and NATO soldiers left the conflict-scared nation's biggest airbase. Following 20 years of war, US President Joe Biden had set a September 11 deadline for the final pullout of the few remaining soldiers on the ground. The news on Friday that American troops had left Bagram Air Base fueled expectations that the pullout would be completed within days. But White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki said the troops would be out of country by the end of August. The president has long felt that the war in Afghanistan was not one that can be won militarily. She told reporters, adding that the United States would continue to provide security systems and humanitarian assistance in the months ahead. One Afghan official said some local thugs and drug addicts attempted to loot equipment at the Bagram Air Base, but were stopped by Afghan troops. There will be no lootings as long as we are here. We will defend and protect our country, said an Afghan soldier guarding one of the base gate. The US military and NATO are in the final stages of winding up involvement in Afghanistan, bringing home an unspecified number of remaining troops by Biden's deadline. The Taliban have taken over dozens of districts as Afghan security forces have largely consolidated their power in the country's major urban areas. The ability of Afghan forces to maintain control of Bagram airfield will likely prove pivotal to maintaining security in Kabul. The exit of foreign forces from Bagram base symbolizes that Afghanistan is alone, abandoned, and left to defend itself against the Taliban onslaught. Having reached home, Americans and allied forces will now watch what they fought so hard to build over 20 years burn down from afar, and knowing that Afghan men and women they fought with risk losing their everything. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.